Hello everyone, welcome. And in this video, I will demonstrate a program which has been written by me as a part of my last assignment. And special thanks goes to Ujucode sir, who has introduced me to this wonderful world of artificial intelligence and machine learning and augmented reality. So without any further ado, let's dive into the topic. So before just going into the program and showing you the code and start explaining what it does, let me give you a bit of introduction first. I think we all have heard about Google. We all have used Google Translate in our life in some point. Some of you might use that on a daily basis, while other might use it occasionally. It has a feature called text to speech. We already know it's a quite old feature. So it just reads out whatever reads out a translated text, and also what text you write in the text box to get translated. So I have used that API, which is called Google's text to speech API, and I have implemented that API on my program. So if you want to try this on your own, first of all, just open terminal. Well, it's better to have a Unix based terminal because this program you can then just put this command directly there and it will just download the required files. But in case of Windows, it's not possible directly. But in case of Mac OS and Linux, all these operating system has Unix based terminals, so you can directly just put whatever command you want there and it will carry out the given instructions. So first of all, open terminal and just write this sentence there: pip install gtts. Now after that process is completed, type down the next line where it says pip3 install gtts pyttsx3 play sound. Now we need play sound because we will make this program to autoplay the sound, although that is optional. This sentence is optional because if you do not want this process to be automated, then you can just skip this. But as a part of artificial intelligence assignment, I wanted as much automation I can make into this program, so I did that. So here is the code. So here is the coding. Previously I didn't declare here this one, so it was throwing me some kinds of error when I had some symbols, and it just showed me some non-ASCII character error. So after specifying this, there is no errors as such. So the first step is to import from GTTS. We will import GTTS, which stands for Google's text to speech, as I already told. And from play sound, we will import play sound because that we will need the play sound function down here after saving and retrieving the audio file. So after that, we will need to import OS and system so that we can use the operating system based functionality such as playing the sound in this case. And after that, we will have to specify the string whatever we will like to get converted to a audio file. So you can write anything you want, but you'll need to be careful about the quotation marks. And what I mean by that is, suppose you have copied a text from an essay or a PDF and you want that to be converted to an audio file, and there might be a probability that you have overlooked a quotation mark such as like this. Now if this is so here this line and this line are coming under double quotation marks, so the Python interpreter will just identify those as a string, but this converts is not a string. So if you try to run this program like this, then it will crash. It will just show that syntax error. Now what I mean is, if I type here print then surrounded by brackets, if I write hello brother, and if I press enter, it will print hello brother. Fine, no problem in that. But if it's like that, suppose we have hello, and in the brother, suppose we have this kind of quotation marks or any other things that might be present. I'm just giving a simple example here. If you press enter, then you can see that it has given a invalid syntax error. So in order to overcome that, you need to add single quotation marks so that this whole thing comes under a one single string. So that's pretty necessary, and you need to look about that, look into it very carefully. So if I hit enter now, there is no error and the error has been bypassed, although these quotation marks are coming here because we did not actually specified anything for, we didn't remove it actually. So we need to take care about that. Let's get rid of these quotation marks, and the language has been specified here. It is English, and after this string has been sent to Google server, it will retrieve the audio file and it will save it, and it will be saved as this encoding MPG 3.1 encoder. Now one thing you need to keep in mind is, if you are writing an audio underscore file, or you are giving any name according to your choice, then you need to give the same name here and same name here. Otherwise the program will not work, your audio will not be saved. And also, if you are choosing a different format such as WAV or Apple Audio Codec, which stands which is AAC, or any other audio formats, then you need to use the encoder that meant for that respective audio format. Otherwise, if you use the MPG 3.1, then it may or may not work. So once you are okay, so we can just save this program from here and we can run the module.
This program converts texts to speech.
So you heard that this program actually worked, and that's how this program works. So alright, thanks for watching.